Hi, I'm Kate from Contact and I'm here to talk about some of our family events.
Oh, you did it! You did it!
Well done.
I was really impressed with your fire lighting. So good.
Yeah. What's his name?
What do you think we should call him, Divan?
What have we named him? Terry.
Terry Toad. Oh, he's frightened and hiding, isn't he?
Our free family events aim to improve you and your child's well-being, and they reduce isolation by giving you the confidence to get out more in your local area and have some fun outdoors together as a family. You'll be able to pick up some new skills to help overcome any concerns or worries you might have while enjoying some much needed relaxation outdoors.
I came here today with Dovan to this event because it was run by Contact, and I know they're really thought out events. They're planned really well, and I've got confidence in them, and they're very safe. Because obviously he's been to lots of Contact events, he has that confidence in them, and he knows they're going to be fun and well run.
We want you to feel confident about going outdoors. We know it's been really tough for everybody, but especially for those families shielding. And we want to be there for you. Use our services as much as possible.
I came here because I wanted to enjoy the nature and cook marshmallows and be around the fire and with my friends.
Does today make you think you might do something like this again?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Well, today I've been exploring around the forest, having a look, doing a little bit of bird spotting as well. And also I made a tent, like a little tent. And I actually really enjoyed this session.
You get to do lots of free activities and it's amazing.
We hope our family events and parent workshops help families deal with the stress and isolation they might be feeling, and that they feel more confident to get outdoors.
Their mood lifts so much more when they're outdoors, and it's been so nice after been so long with not having that interaction. It's something that we've missed, I've missed and the children have missed.
Many of our outdoor events will be held in private spaces, so that only the people there are our families, and you can relax knowing that you're with people who just totally get how it is for you. I've met some new parents today, which was really interesting, and surprisingly their children had been managing the events so well, and it was quite a shock for some of the parents. They've said to me they would never have managed this amount of time happy, but they were really over the moon. One little girl in particular really loved the mirrors looking at the trees, and her mum had never seen her do anything like that before. She was overjoyed.
Today went really well. It felt really good. A lot of the families came and chatted to me and said how much their children were enjoying it. The parents all seemed relaxed, and by the end everyone came and thanked us. It was a success all round, I think.
We hope you found this filming inspiring, and we look forward to seeing you at our events. Thank you for watching today, and here are our contact details.